Alright, y'all, I am here back with the Hoover Windtunnel Widepath. It is now fixed. Well, brush roller. It might have a little motor bearing noise, but I don't know. I don't think so, but it is to be found out. However, before we get into this, well, we're not going to run it in here because it's already been vacuumed in here. But before we, well, we'll keep it here in the light. But before we get started, I want to show y'all the bearing that was in it, in the brush roller. Because they ran it super dry and it got rusted, because who knows where this was kept. This is the old bearing. As we can see, maybe if it'll focus, the plastic bit here that's over the bearing is melted, and this is got like plastic melted to it. So yeah, that's completely screwed. So let's bring the thing in the living room, not in the living room, in the bedroom of the camper, and see what it sounds like. Have to pardon the protein still sitting there. It's from the last video of it. Sorry, I'm having to clear my throat so much. I don't like it either because it's annoying. Get caught on the wheel there. Cannot run the wind tunnel over this rug here because if we do, it's just gonna pick up the rug, and we don't want it to pick that one up. A lot better than it was. The cord is caught on the step. There we go. Like an anchor tied around my foot. Yep, definitely a lot better than it was before, because the bearing was so screwed up. It did a lot of grinding and wearing and all that kind of stuff, and I had to keep it lubricated and cleaned out, because we gotta, on this one, if we can get this to focus, it doesn't want to. Yeah, it doesn't want to focus. Yeah, I love it when cameras don't focus. But if we can see down in there, it's got just enough of an opening where dirt can get in it and lock it up for good. So I might be able to salvage this if I can get another, like, white bit, because this, you can pop this white piece off and maybe snap another white piece onto it. So I'm going to keep this It just can't be used in anything. But yeah, we'll go ahead and give it another run in here because I see some stuff on the carpet or on the rug. I know I said I wouldn't do it, but here we go anyway. Actually, that might be a stain. Definitely agitates a lot better, that's for sure. So yeah, there's Hoover Wind Tunnel fixed. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Tell me how y'all liked it. Tell me what y'all want to see. I'll see what I can do, how I can do it, when I can do it, and if I can do it. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more content if you haven't yet. And if you want to support the channel, you can click the super thanks button and send a super comment. You can become a channel member. You can send supers and live chats. Outside of YouTube, you can become a patron for content where I do end up letting a swear word slip because YouTube hates it. And then there's coffee where you can direct donate, and in due time, you can buy vacuum cleaners. But if you want to watch my content for free, that's also an option. So yeah, until next time, bye y'all.